Hello and good evening. This is Doc Severson for the ReadySetCrypto OMNIA newsletter market update for Wednesday, the 10th of June. Looking at Bitcoin versus the US dollar, quite honestly, I like what I'm seeing here, guys. I'm really surprised that we didn't tank after the rejection up here. But what I want you to notice is just from a auction theory perspective. First time we get up to 10,000, big rejection. Second time we get up there, smaller rejection. Third time we get up there and even get past it, another rejection, but to a higher low. And then today, one more time, we got up to 10,000. And you can see this, and so far it's not been rejected that much. Each time we keep printing higher lows. This is a form of ascending triangle with a false breakout. And we can see this best here just a couple of hours ago where we had the Fed meeting coming out today. And the Fed is obviously going to keep rates low for quite a long time. And this was, I think, something like $20 million of BitMEX contracts got wiped out. Shorts got wiped out, and then the longs got wiped out again. I mean, it's just insane what people are doing with these leverage platforms. Don't trade like that. Don't trade using liquidation as your stop. But I have to look at this, and I have to, when you read what's happening in the auction theory and read what's happening in the price, I have to be bullish with this, especially with the amount of energy that we have. Looking at the weekly chart, this is the only liability here is that we're getting a little low on energy. So it wouldn't surprise me to see another week in this pattern, but this looks like the best shot that we've got for a strong breakout from here and a move more than likely somewhere up into 12 to 13,000. Okay, some other ones in the top 10 that I like. I like Ethereum. I like this pattern on here. Some of these I don't like so much. I don't like what I'm seeing on Ripple. This is really no pattern whatsoever. Litecoin, kind of the same deal. Bitcoin Cash, not that great. EOS, not that great. Dash, not that great. A lot of these, kind of fall into the haves and have-nots columns. Ethereum Classic, meh. Tezos, not bad. Not bad. Setting up with equal highs up here, just under 3.2. Consolidating, not a great pattern, but not bad. Better than some of these other ones. This one's actually really good. This is Stellar Lumens. Looks really good. Nice little bull flag building up energy. Chainlink, very good. Big consolidation, big base breakout into the smaller base, building up energy. Looks really good. Today's 0x, I don't know what's going on here, but volume is driving this. Not a great pattern overall, but if we look at this on a weekly basis, we can start to see that this basing pattern is starting to break out. And we're starting to move into higher highs and higher lows in the weekly chart. That's very good. Okay. Basic attention token, not bad. Not really that much of a pattern other than a slow and steady grind, which is not that bad. Atom, yeah, okay. Zcash, I like this a lot. This is a really good pattern here for Zcash, building up energy, looking really good. The rest of these we're not going to go over. Let's go over Monero. Monero is kind of in between the good and the bad. Not so bad. A lot of energy, should be breaking out. Really, one of the problems with crypto right now is that equities, especially tech stocks, have really just drawn all the oxygen out of the room. And what we've done is also a lot of the younger, newer investors have gone over to Robinhood, and instead of crypto, they're actually trading tech stocks and options and things like that. So this is, to some degree, driven some of the retail interest out of cryptocurrency, but we all know what it'll take for them to come thundering back in. It could be a combination of NASDAQ tiring out and crypto getting a bid, especially Bitcoin above 10,000, I think would bring a lot of new investors back into this. That's it for today's report. Thanks for listening. See you tomorrow.